This is our plan. D2. We will transport all the dinosaurs inside the dino base.
There's not enough room in the dino base.
We'll ask our good friends for help regarding the remaining dinosaurs.
Huh?
There are bigger animals than us dinosaurs?
Yes, look here.
A whale?
Yes.
Right. A whale can fit all the big dinosaurs on its back.
But how do we get so many whales to help out?
We already did. Look. Great! Good job, Vicky! Well done! Woohoo!
Okay, Dino Explorers, let's get the dinosaurs in one by one, safely.
Got it, Professor!
Are you all ready?
Yes, we're ready!
Well then, let's go!
I'm so glad everyone's safe.
So am I. Oh, the volcano's erupting.
Mom, we're safe now, right?
Yes, we're safe. We're lucky the dinos helped us escape.
Whoa! No wonder it's the biggest animal in the world.
It's really big.
Hey, look over there! The whale has a breathing hole on its back, and it shoots water out of it!
Where?
Over here, guys!
Huh? This is their breathing hole?
Yep. Mr. Whale, if you please.
Awesome!
Thank you, Mr. Whale.
Thank you, Mr. Whale!
Bye-bye. Bye.
Did you count all the dinosaurs?
Professor, Tyrano Grandpa isn't here.
What? But we told him.
But I can't find him anywhere.
Wait a minute. Excuse me. Has anyone seen Tyrano Grandpa?
He was just doing something on top of the tree next to the cave.
Oh no, he's still on land?
Then we'll go.
But
Huh? Don't worry, we're the Dino Explorers! Go, Dino Explorers to the rescue! Pink! Green power transformation! Hey! Huh! Vicky! Pink power transformation!
Blue power transformation!
Red power transformation! The volcano's going to erupt soon! Yeah! Let's hurry to Tyrano Grandpa's cave! Okay! Tyrano Grandpa! Grandpa, are you okay? Why are you still here?
Oh, I hurt myself trying to rescue this egg from behind the tree.
Huh? Grandpa, did you hurt your leg?
Yes, I fell while coming down.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
Can you walk? Are you okay? I don't think he can walk. What do we do?
Hold on.
Huh? Huh?
Oh! Hey, watch out! You almost stepped on me.
Oh no, we're so sorry.
Big dinosaurs, please watch your step. You might step on the smaller dinosaurs.
Tisk, go away!
This is our area.
Tisk, go away! This is our area.
Go away.
What are you doing? We all need to stay here until the volcano eruption ends. We need to get along.
We don't want to go with the others.
Go away! Yes!
Oh yeah? Fine. No more dino cookies for you.
What? That's so unfair.
What's unfair is bullying weak dinosaurs.
Well, fine.
Ta-da!
Whoa! Whoa, good job, Tomo! Rex, I need to go ask Mr. Will if he can give us a lift to the island. Okay, can you have him waiting at the beach when we arrive?
We'll take it from here.
Got it. See you at the beach. Huh.
I must weigh a ton.
It's okay. I'm a Tyrannosaurus as well, you know.
And I'm a Triceratops. I'm strong too.
So I'm in good hands.
Oh, what about me?
You're the fast one, aren't you?
That's right.
Huh?
Whoa, the egg hatched. Really? It's so cute. But it also looks really familiar.
It's a Dimorphodon.
Its parents must be worried.
We lost our egg. I was sure we had it with us.
Oh no! Where's your nest?
It's near the Tyrano Grandpa's cave.
Okay, I'll ask the dinos.
Professor, we went back to the island with Grandpa Tyrannosaurus Rex. Please tell the Dimorphodon family not to worry. We have their little baby.
That's great. Did you hear that? The dinos have your baby. They're coming back. Don't worry.
Ping, take the baby.
Yes, okay.
Ping, take care of it.
Don't worry. Tomo, go first and clear the trees.
Got it.
Haha, we're making good time.
Yeah, it's fast.
Rex, we're at the edge.
Got it. Now it's my turn.
Huh?
Rex, launch jet engine.
Fast is good, but safety comes first.
Right.
We need to hurry.
I never knew they were this big. I've never seen whales before.
There's a lot of interesting animals in the sea.
Oh, I can see.
My boy!
My boy!
Oh, baby! Thank God you're safe.
Thank you so much for saving our baby.
That's what we do. Help dinosaurs.
Oh, I'm starving.
Let's have a party to celebrate our escape from the volcano.
Oh, what a great idea. Let's have a feast since everyone's so hungry.
I'll take care of the food. We're going to prepare a lot of it.
Let's all cook together. It's party time!